Hi guys, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video, I am telling you group 16 element compound ozone. So look here, what is ozone? Dear student, formula of ozone is O3. Formula of ozone is O3. Ozone is allotropes of oxygen. So look here, ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. It was first discovered by Scobane. It is present in upper atmosphere. What is upper atmosphere? About 20 kilometer above the surface of earth. Now I am telling you method of preparation of ozone. Method of preparation of ozone is ozone can be easily prepared by passing silent electric discharge through pure and dry oxygen in ozonizer. Ozone gas can be easily prepared by passing silent electric discharge through pure and dry oxygen in ozonizer. So look here, this is 3O2 silent. When we pass silent electric discharge, then oxygen is converted into ozone gas. Now question is why we use silent electric discharge? We use silent electric discharge to convert oxygen into ozone. If we use due to silent electric discharge, ozone is not purely converted into oxygen. After this, I am telling you the ozonizers used for the preparation of ozone gas. There are two ozonizers. First is Siemens ozonizer, second is Brody ozonizer. That is not in your syllabus. So today we will discuss Siemens ozonizer. Look here, Siemens ozonizer. This is Siemens ozonizer. It consists of two coaxial glass tubes. First glass tube, second glass tube. It consists of two coaxial glass tube sealed at one end. Dear student, Siemens ozonizer consists of two coaxial glass tube. It is sealed at one end. After this, the inner surface of the inner tube, look here, these are inner surface. The inner surface of the inner tube and outer surface of the outer tube are coated with tin foil. Symbol of tin is Sn, atomic number of tin is 50. The inner surface of the inner tube and the outer surface of the inner surface of the inner tube, these are inner surface, and outer surface of outer tube are coated with tin foil. After this, when pure dry and cold oxygen is passed in annual space through an inlet, when pure dry oxygen is passed in the annular space through an inlet, a silent electric discharge is passed through oxygen, then 10% ozone is formed. Okay students, you can see this is Siemens ozonizer. From this portion dry ozone gas enter in ozonizer, and after this silent electric discharge pass, then only 10% ozone gas is produced. Look here, ozonides oxygen. After this, dear student, we will study about physical properties of ozone. Physical properties of ozone are physical properties of ozone O3. Number 1, ozone is a pale blue gas having pungent odor. Number 2, its vapor density is 24. Number 3, ozone is slightly soluble in water but more soluble in organic solvent such as carbon tetrachloride and turpentine. Number 4, it is poisonous in nature. Number 5, its melting point is 24 Kelvin and boiling point is 160.6 Kelvin. Number 6, ozone is diamagnetic in nature, but whereas oxygen is paramagnetic. Okay students, so these are the important physical properties of ozone gas. Next point is chemical properties of ozone. Chemical properties of ozone are: number 1, action on litmus. It is neutral to litmus, means it gives no effect on litmus paper. Second chemical property, decomposition. Ozone decomposes in presence of catalyst to give oxygen gas. to give oxygen gas. Third point is oxidizing agent. Ozone is a strong oxidizing agent than oxygen due to large energy content in ozone. Ozone decomposes to give oxygen and nascent ozone decomposes to give O2, oxygen gas, and nascent oxygen. So look here, oxidizing agent. First point, oxidation of compound. Oxidation of compound. Black lead sulfide get oxidized to white lead sulfate. This is black lead sulfide. First, oxygen decomposed to give O2 plus O. This is the important line you have to learn. Ozone decomposes to give O2 plus O. After the lead sulfide oxidized to give lead sulfate. Lead sulfide react with ozone. Black lead sulfide is get oxidized to white lead sulfide get oxidized to black lead sulfide. Black lead sulfide get oxidized to white lead sulfate. Dear student, again listen to me. This is black color. Black lead sulfide get oxidized to white lead sulfate. After this, potassium iodide is oxidized to iodine. First process is common. Ozone decomposes to give O2 plus nascent oxygen. Potassium iodide react with water and nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen cancel, give iodine and potassium hydroxide. Add these two equations, we get potassium iodide react with aqueous solution of ozone to give iodine. So we can say potassium iodide is oxidized to iodine gas. Number 3. Acidified ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate. First, ozone decomposes to give oxygen gas plus nascent oxygen. This is acidified means H2SO4. Ferrous sulfate is oxidized by nascent oxygen to ferric sulfate. So we can say acidified means H2SO4 acid. Acidified ferrous sulfate is oxidized to ferric sulfate. Next, ozone oxidizes. Number 4. Ozone oxidizes nitrites to nitrates. First, ozone decomposes to give oxygen gas and nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen react with nitrites to give nitrate. So we can say ozone oxidizes nitrites to nitrate. Number 5. Ozone oxidizes green potassium magnate to pink potassium permanganate. First, ozone decomposes to give oxygen plus nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen react with aqueous solution of potassium magnate, green color potassium magnate to give potassium permanganate. Add these reaction, nascent oxygen to nascent oxygen cancel, we get 2K2MnO4 plus O3 plus H2O gives potassium permanganate 2KMnO4 plus potassium hydroxide plus oxygen. So we can say ozone oxidizes green potassium magnate to pink potassium permanganate. Next is oxidation of metals. Ozone oxidizes silver metal to silver oxide. Ozone oxidizes mercury metal to mercuric oxide. Oxidation of non-metal. Ozone oxidized, iodine gets oxidized to iodic acid. First, ozone decomposed to give O2 plus O. Iodine react with oxygen, nascent oxygen and water to give iodic acid. To balance it, here 5 nascent oxygen, so we have to multiply it by 5. Finally, add these two equations, we get I2 plus 5O3 plus H2O, 2HiO3, iodic acid plus oxygen gas. Number 2, sulfur get oxidized to sulfuric acid. Step 1, ozone decomposed to give oxygen plus nascent oxygen. Sulfur molecule react with nascent oxygen and water molecules to convert into sulfuric acid. Here number of nascent oxygen 24, so multiply this equation by 24. 24 nascent oxygen to 24 nascent oxygen cancel. Finally we get sulfur molecule, ozone gas plus 8 water molecules, finally sulfuric acid. So we can say sulfur molecule get oxidized to sulfuric acid. Next, ozone oxidizes phosphorus. Phosphorus get oxidized to phosphoric acid. Ozone decomposed to give oxygen gas plus nascent oxygen. Phosphorus react with nascent oxygen and water to give phosphoric acid. Here number of nascent oxygen 10, so we have to multiply this equation by 10. Add these two equations, then we get for P4 10O3 6H2O 4S3PO4 plus 10O2. So we can say finally phosphorus molecule get oxidized to phosphoric acid. Next point is usage of ozone gas. Ozone gas is used as an oxidizing agent in the manufacture of potassium permanganate from potassium magnate. Number 2, ozone is used as a disinfectant in the purification of water. Number 3, ozone is used in the manufacture of artificial silk and camphor. Dear student, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay students.